because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Alright, so we brought out both the Rx2s. So John wants to build a Burnout car out of the blue one right there. So I just wanted to show you guys a before video of it. So obviously it needs a little bit of work here and there. Got rust. But other than that, it's not a bad car. All the interiors here just all thrown out, so it just needs to be put back together. Engine's missing, but it looks like somebody had already put a turbo engine in it. They had notched this, so we're gonna have to fix this, box it in. You know, they cut a hole here for the clutch slave. You know, we have to do some repair on it. But we're gonna keep the flames for the Burnout car and just leave it at this and just go beat on it like that. Forward first. Yeah. Jack it up. Same bolt pattern? Yeah. Yeah. There's gonna be a little fingerprint in the front. Bye. 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 Dude, it looks so good with the flames. I'm not gonna lie. What do you think, Mike? How's it look? You haven't even fucking seen it. What are you talking about? You're on the other side. It looks great, man. Nah, I don't like it.
Look at your wheels.
Alright, you gotta push it down here.
Some more room on it. Oh, you're a camera, just gonna eat everything.
He fucking kicked it.
You gotta kick it.
Yo. Yo! Oh my god!
Still going. How many things was on fire?
That's the warmest that shit's been in a while.
Oh.
What are you doing off?
See?
See?
That's my eyebrows.
Fuck!
That's it, my fucking eyebrows. Yeah, dude.
Let me see. Yeah, it's fine.
Alright, so we rolled in the Rx2 into the shop so I can test fit the wheels. And the back looks stupid right now, but we're gonna cut the diff so it fits way more in, so I can just do metal flares and not have to worry about putting big fender flares. So you can see right now it's like really far out. Mike likes it though, how far out it is. But the wheels look sick on this car. The front's not too bad. The front, I can literally just fit it by just adding camber and then pulling the flare out a little bit. But they fit, look pretty cool. So now I'm just gonna get to putting the engine in so I can start test fitting everything and see how it's gonna fit.
How do you do that? Hello.
Jeez. Jeez. Alright, so I took the wheels off the car just because I need to get the right size tires so I can put them back on and keep measuring and figure out the right height of the car. But I ended up putting the engine into the car. So it has no transmission, so I put that piece of wood to hold it up, just kind of mock it up to where it's gonna fit at. But you see I have a lot of space for the turbo setup. Most likely gonna take the battery tray out. I think this is a battery tray, I don't know what the hell it is, but take this out, put the turbo like up here, then intercooler, all that crap. But yeah, I mean, so far it's looking pretty good. I have to go through the car, see what's in there and what's not, to figure out how much work this car's gonna need.
Yeah, I
Yeah, man, about to get the hookup.
Show the tooth.
Care?
Yo, you got a video for 16 seconds.
I care. Like 8 years ago, that joke was funny.
Still funny now.
Not funny.
Wait till you see the footage.
I see my tooth every fucking morning in the mirror. I don't know why I bought this car.